The ARCCAPTAIN 200A stick and lift TIG welder is equipped with an upgraded lift TIG torch, allowing it to perform excellently with a variety of welding rods, making it ideal for outdoor maintenance and home DIY projects. Featuring a large LED display, this welding machine provides clear and accurate data readings, enhancing user convenience without the need to remove protective gear. Weighing only 7.2 pounds, its lightweight and compact design makes this welder highly portable, perfect for easy transport and storage. The synergic control feature is a boon for both beginners and professionals, as it automatically matches current and voltage while offering manual adjustments for experienced users. This welder offers adjustable hot start and arc force settings, ensuring smooth and efficient arc starts, and preventing electrode sticking for a seamless welding experience. Safety is a priority with the ARCCAPTAIN welder, which meets various professional certifications and includes protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheating.